thank you everyone because you guys are the only reason why we have that and that, so thank you. Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog. So today, this is kind of a special day for all of us.
Yeah? It's a big one, huh?
It's one of our biggest.
So we got a good big old piece of mail today. This is the best mail I think we've ever received, right? Rocco hasn't quit smiling. Real quick, we just want to say this vlog's just going to be a thank you to all our fans and subscribers and viewers, everybody that partakes in the vlog. Rocco, me, Rebecca, Brian, Ron, who else? Emma,
Joe, some friends.
Joe, everybody who helps us out, but especially this one goes to the fans, the viewers, the subscribers, huh? So can you all guess what's in this box? Right. You guys know, of course, we hit 1 million, but it takes a while to get your reward. Da-da-da-da.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
So this the gold play button, 1 million subscribers. This thing's huge. Like I've seen it, but to actually have it in our house is kind of crazy, huh?
Look, let me do something. Alright everyone, look at the size compared.
We cried at this one, right? We were so happy.
You're gonna need exactly 4 of these to make that.
But it's not because of us, it's because they view it.
Thank you guys so much for making us, or for having us, and
in your house every day, on your phones, on your computers,
on your iPads,
on your smart TVs, wherever you watch us. Thank you, because without you, this button wouldn't exist for us. We just need your help now. Let's hit 10 million subscribers. Ooh. Right? That's the next one, the diamond. So stop what you're doing right now and play your part in getting us to the 10 million subscribers. Basically, what we're going to do at the end of this video, this is it for today's vlog. We've been crazy over the last week. Stupid crazy.
Yeah.
Sorry. That's not our style, but we went a little overboard, huh?
Overboard.
Overboard. So anyway, we just wanted to take a minute out, short vlog today, just say thank you.
Guys. Oh,
and basically, we're going to throw it back to, in case you all don't know, I don't know how long you all have been watching, or how you know Rocco, or when you met him, or what he's all about. But basically, Rocco was a 5-year-old scooter rider, and he jumped on a scooter at the age of 5, and he was extraordinarily good. He got noticed, right? And he got a sponsorship, and they told us you have to have social media, so start a YouTube channel. We did. And then we put our family on it, and that's all she wrote, right? We just wanted to take today's vlog to say thank you for this. This is all because of you. Yes. You right there, you watching. And if you are a viewer and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. It's the one that looks like this, but it's red. So hit that. But we're gonna just give you a few minutes, throw it back to give you a little clip of Rocco scootering, huh? Yeah. Because if it wasn't for all the pros that met Rocco when he was 5, like Chandler Dunn, Jeremy Malott, Cam Ward, Caper Funk, Corey Funk, Tanner Fox, Raymond Warner. Yeah. So Rocco did some writing this week with Raymond, just private sesh, old school. So we're just gonna say thank you again. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and here's a little clip of Rocco doing some scootering tonight. We thought that would be appropriate, huh? Yeah. Since that's how Rocco Piazza became known, right? So enjoy the clips. We'll be back to our crazy days. We won't go so crazy. But we'll be back to some crazy days tomorrow, right? Yeah. All right. Anything else you want to say?
Thank you everyone because you guys are the only reason why we have that and that, so thank you.
You want to turn the camera around to somebody else? And who else do you want to thank? Who makes it possible?
I look so bad. This girl right here, Becky. She has edited all of our videos.
She puts up with all our crap, yes. Right?
And helps us clean and everything. Takes me everywhere.
So big thank you to Rebecca, also known as, I call her Rebecca, Becca, Becky, whatever. Couldn't do it without her, huh? So So the two main people in this video right here, Rebecca, Rocco, take a bow, do your dance.
What's the bow? Oh, let's bow that way. And take a bow. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Woo!
Alright guys, so right now we are at Scootering with Raymond. We're having a private sesh at night, so let's get some clips.
Sky's blue.
I didn't eat!
My dog's at home.
You're a man of another toast, man. You're a man of many toes.